I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session. I'm hosting it today here from MyFundedFutures. Hope everybody had a great day today. Hey, Jennifer. Hey, Jennifer. Did anybody take this beautiful short pattern right here at 1900, which was 7 o'clock here? This is a beautiful short pattern. You can see the MACD's negative. You can see that the 30-minute time frames reversed to sell. So when the 30 reversed to sell right here, the negative MACD, what do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. This is an absolute Picasso, especially when you see the ADX is rising right here. Ryan, do you see that right there? That's an absolute Picasso. Hello, everybody. Hope everybody had a great day today. You got the 120-point short. Good job. Good job. Great job. All right. So anyway, just wanted to say hi and hope everybody had a great day today. More importantly, yo. Hey, Angel. Hey, how you doing? Mr. Salta, Shimya, B-Trees, Side Trades. All right. Did everybody get their, whoever won last night? Did you, Caesar? Okay. NASDAQ futures, S&P futures. Right? Remember the guy who said the MACDs, right? And they got kabooshed, right? So exactly, and I'm not trying to, be a stickler here, and I'm not trying to prove that I'm right or anything like that. But when somebody says to me that these MACDs don't mean anything, when we were printing up here to 30,600, okay, I was jumping up and down like a baboon because not only did you have the short with the negative MACD, D-Hall, right? But look at the 30-minute overbought. Even though the oscillator reversed to buy here, uh-oh, you left your keys in the car? Uh-oh. Hey, Albano. Are you on MyFundedFutures in the morning? Kent Clark? I am not. I have my own live stream every day from 8:30 to 4. And if you like a 5-day free trial, you can just text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Hey, Mark Miller, how are you? Okay. Okay, so here you can see, yes, Jennifer came twice. So basically, D-Hall, when you got this push up here, okay, this was a monster short. But I want to show you something that really was very important today, okay? So this is called significant experience here. So when we got this pushed down this morning, okay, first of all, let me just show you something here, okay? 8:30, okay. What time is this here? Okay, so you see this low here at 10:10, okay? You see this low? Okay, you can't see the charts? Jesus, okay, all right, I don't know. Anybody can see the charts now? Anybody? Can you see the charts? Okay. All right. So, okay. Well, I got to go back to what I showed you now from before. All right. But anyway, let me just start with this. When you got the new low here, right, at 30,151, the thing I told my Discord, okay, was that you can open the door if you want. It might be a lot cooler. Is what I said was when we got that low, I said that the spiders did not make a new low, the Russell didn't make a new low, and the Dow did not make a new low. So I said, back up the truck. We're going up, right? We're going up, all right? And so basically, when you got that low, I said, guys, we're making new lows here on the NASDAQ futures, but the spiders, the Russell, and the Dow are not making new lows. And good Lord, and they're off at Belmont, and they're making new lows here, okay? And I said, good Lord, Okay, NASDAQ. Let's see if this NASDAQ probably could take a long here. The deep anywhere between the 30,000, 10 to 50 range. You could take a scalp long only. Okay. And so basically, when you got that push down there, I said they're gonna rip. And within literally on a 5-minute bar here, you can see here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, they ran close to 200 points. Okay, they ran close to 200 points, right? Now, what I wanted to show you here, okay, on the QQQs here, let's see here, is that if you get this push up here, these MACDs, as D Hall was saying, somebody during the live stream today said MACDs don't work on the NASDAQ. Okay, well, I don't know. I taught that to one of the biggest traders in the world, and he said, thank you for bringing this to my attention. So basically, all the divergences are based upon the way the methodology works, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming on board here. So again, this is really important. This was a really great bear flag right here on the NASDAQ futures at 1900 hours, the 30-minute reverse to sell right here. Okay, I always sell this NASDAQ 48, 49, 50 or higher here. And then you can see here, well, 49.50, you know. But if you see here when the 30-minute reverse to sell right here, okay, it correlated with its 15-minute time frame. Oh, what a difference with the door open, right? And now you got the ADX is rising here. And then what do you look to do? You short the first bounce here at 1900. You short the first bounce at 1900 right here. Okay, I don't see anything in gold yet. I think gold's a short, if anything. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is when you get the 30-minute time frame Ryan, do you see this? The 30-minute reverses sell correlates with the 15. Look at the big selling pressure here, right? The ADXs are rising. You get the overbought condition. Look at this NASDAQ, 30,369. This is a pattern. It dropped 80 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. 6 bars, right? So anyway, so I wanted to show you that. Okay, short the world. Everybody wants to short the world. Okay, all right. So again, hey, Mark Miller, how are you? Gameplay. All right, how is everybody? All right, really excited to be here tonight. Again, long week. Tomorrow's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, very, very excited. So we're really we're going to just see if this NASDAQ right here, 49.50, I'd be out of this long here. So, you know, one of the things that I will tell you, a lot of people, you know, it's important to do your work, understand the charts, understand the way the markets work here, and to be really diligent in your approach to learning, right? Take the time, right? Okay. I got it already, Rick Francis. Rick, text me and I'll send it to you. Okay. I got it. Dog and Wolf. I hope you sold the longs there on that. Okay. Henny, what's the matter with your ear? Henny, oh boy, what's the matter? Yeah, so again, you know, but again, you know, what's up, the Wolf Man? How are you? One Micro did wonders in the market. It could. I don't like doing single lot entries. I think single lot entries are very difficult to trade. But you know, to each his own. And I think that one of the things that you need to really focus on, okay, one of the things you really need to focus on overall is really understanding the importance of the market in trading using the ladder, scaling in, scaling out. I'm not really a fan of doing single lot entries. I think that to me is just pure, you know, I don't know, just pure gambling if you ask me. But again, I think what's important is for all of you to remember that if you're trading the market, you want to be able to, just singles and doubles. You're 50 to 80 here, you're 80 to 150 here, you're 120 to 200 here. And then I think, again, I'm very bearish here. I think the market has a lot of downside. The reason why the market rallied was all because of NVIDIA, the Dow, JP Morgan, UNH, Goldman, Visa, American Express were all up here. And then I think the most important thing also is that the Russell was very strong as well. So the Russell and the Dow kind of carried the NASDAQ up. So, listen, it happens. A lot of people got short on the lows. I was not having that. I'm telling you that. Okay? I'm not having that. I said to my people, if you're short down here, I'm the big caboosher. Oh, my God. What happened? What has he got? Oh. He has something in his mouth. No. If you really truly think I'm going to get caught short down there, when the Dow was up almost 800 points or up 450 at the time, the Russell was up about 0.5%, and you had the spiders that were up, but they did not make a new low, right? See why you had to get out on that long? See? Right? Okay. But again, this is how you read the market. What do you mean by single light? No, single lot. Single lot. Okay, bear trader, single lot entry means just doing. So, for example, let's say I give a range. Let's say you say, okay, I'm going to buy the NASDAQ at 30,060. Okay, you like what you have, and next thing I know, you decide that you want to, buy it at 30,260. You put a stop at 30,200 and you're offering at 30,300. To me, that's not trading. That's not trading. That's not trading at all. So, I just think that people have to understand that there's two types of trading. There's pattern trading, which is what I just showed you right here. Pattern trading right here. And then you got, this is the first bounce on the 5 minute after the 30 and the reverse to sell correlating with the 15. Okay, so there's pattern trading and then there's scalp trading. Done for the night. Raphael trades. Unbelievable, Raphael. Good job, brother. Okay. All right. Raphael, great job, Raphael. What's up, Raphael? How are you, brother? Hey, Vanessa B. Oh, this NASDAQ's finished, man. If this NASDAQ could be on the way down here. Remember, this is what I was looking for. This is the first pullback on the daily. And then I think the next pullback is going to be off the weekly right here. I think you got 3,000 points. That brings it down to like 27,200, 27,500. Then I think you buy the world. Okay? Okay? Raphael, very proud of you, my brother. Raphael, okay? How are you, Vanessa B? All right, your entry was 75,000, 83 to go short the NASDAQ, S&Ps. Iceman in the house. Iceman, how about that 30-minute time frame last night, Iceman? How was that 30-minute time frame, Iceman? Huh? Brandon, what's up? Down to where? I think like 27,500. I'm here, Baba. Baba, I'll call you and Kobe after this, okay? Kobe called me and I got slammed. Sorry, I apologize. Yeah, so again, I think what's really important is that, that you all try to, no, I'll call you, Baba. I'm sorry, I got really busy after work and I'm dealing with my daughter's car with Mercedes. Oh my God, Jesus. Bear, what are you showing resistance bounce here? I think the NASDAQ's going to go to 05. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 80 to 10 level, I don't know. You're deeply oversold here. The good thing about our town lives in California. I can call him at 10 o'clock at night, 7 o'clock. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. What a day today. Micron, you want to see crazy? S&Ps, where's this NASDAQ here? Let's see what this NASDAQ looks like here. NASDAQ. Let's go to the 1 minute. I had fun with the 1 minute last night, right? 1 minute time frame, 16. Yeah, so if this thing gets down to like, this thing gets down to 87, I would go 80 to 10 on the NASDAQ. Might be too low though, but this 1 minute time frame is a bomb. Baba, right? It's a bomb. Oh, I had so much fun with the 1 minute last night. It's a scam, Baba. It's a jungle, right? Women and children first into lifeboats. That's it. What a day. What a day. How about last night on the MyFundedFutures show? I said, look to, what did I get down to 12? Yeah. And you could buy these here, probably like 83 to 13. Okay. How about last night? I said that the 30-minute time frame. Do you use order flow heat map as part of your? No, I don't. Just ran 10 here. Missed it on the 1 minute. Oh, there they go. All right. So, G Pro Ultra, how are you? 75 down, then back up. You're short the NASDAQ, the S&Ps, right? Debo, how are you, Debo? You know, Corp Trades, how are you, brother? This NASDAQ, that's why you got to take this as a scalp. You got to go wide, like every 12 or 13 on the long. There it goes. Gold looks terrible. Gold looks absolutely like death. Gold's going to 4,000, hands down. I got guys load boatloads of dust, right? Boatloads of dust. Okay, Kaboosh, where's the bear? I don't like order book. I don't look at it. I think I don't know. I just do my own work. I don't try to confuse it. I just do my own work. I got new products coming out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't try to reinvent the wheel. I just try to, you know. Well, every day, Corp Trades, just try to get better and better and better and better, right? That's what you got to do. Sell this NASDAQ anywhere from the 15 up to 25 range if it gets up there. I just think that you got to wait. You got to wait for the 15-minute time frames to set up here. That's what I think, to get short. I'd be really careful with the longs here. This NASDAQ, this Broadcom. Oh, my God, what a short I had in Broadcom today. I shorted this Broadcom. You want to see a short? This is an absolute Picasso, right? AVGO. Look at this AVGO. Look at this negative MACD. What idiot paid 26 right here? I was short this thing 23, 24, 25, 26. I didn't care. I did not care, right? I did not care. It doesn't matter, right? And so when I saw that right there, I said, I'd short the world. How in God's creation can you be pushing up with the MACD the size of the Atlantic Ocean here? And then look what happened. Absolutely kabooshed. Okay. Where is this? Where is this on the one? We got to go 1 minute, 26. It's right here. No, that's 20. I got to go back to a 5 minute then on that one. It was right here. Look at this. It was right here. 26. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So anyway, so when you see Broadcom hit that 26, And then look at the next bar, 20. I covered some here, covered some here, covered some here, covered some here, and that was it. All right? Unbelievable. Okay? Very, very, very. There goes the NASDAQ. I'd be scaling out of longs here, 15 to 20 range if you're long. What happened, Henny? Henny, what's the matter? God. All right. So, yeah, that was a monster trade. And then I took this long on AMD here, right here. Took this long right here, and I sold it out here, like right between here and here. It made about $2.5, $3.5 on this thing, right? And then when it pushed up to 31, this is when the NASDAQ futures right here really was the trade of the day right here. Well, this is a monster trade right here on this bear flag right here. Dropped 160 points. But when the NASDAQ at the end of the day, was it this one? Where's it hit? 03. Was it right here? When the NASDAQ, after the 15-minute time frame, pushed up here from 31, right? See, I knew it, right? Gold new lows here. When you push this up, you got a monster bear flag. But here's the problem. You made a new high here, and these MACDs cannot confirm on the 5-minute time frame right here. And before I can speak, because I was selling different things long, okay, Intel, AMD, this, that, boom, whatever, I saw this sell divergence right here. So you made a new high on the day, and look what they did. Even by here, by 4 o'clock, they dropped 123 points, right? Now watch what this happened. SanDisk, right? SanDisk on this monster short pattern, 99, kabooshed, down to 55. Micron, you want to talk about a kabooshin right here? 29 on Micron, kabooshed, right? Look at that, 33 points. AMD, right? These things go tick and tick with the NASDAQ. So when I'm trading here, I'm watching the index ETFs and the index futures as I'm trading these insane names, right? Okay, right? And then if you look here on AMD, 31, I couldn't say short fast enough, right? They killed the gold, of course, okay? And then here, if you look, you can see, okay, how AMD, and this on the next bar, drops $5.50, okay? So this is really unbelievable. When I buy gold here, the ADXs are rising. I don't know. I think gold's if you want to take a scalp long, maybe 71.5 to 78.5. NASDAQ, if it gets down to the 60 to 90 range, because you'll be down 100 off by the moving average here. Oh, yeah. Okay. I think that this market's going to get killed. I really do. I think this market's on the verge of getting killed. What's going to happen is silver. I think you short the next bounce. I missed 400 million of the good entries of gold. No, next, you can't look back. Game playful. You can't, Italy. You can never look back. Okay. And today I was on the live stream, as Dior, a lot of you heard. Some guy says, oh, MACDs do not work on NASDAQ futures. I got to tell you, I mean, I don't even know how to answer that, But, with that being said, que sera, sera. I just, I just do my own thing, and that's that. Okay, there goes the NASDAQ right back up. Never got to 90. $91. Look at that. Missed it by $1. Okay. All right. Next. Look the shorts. I don't do the martingale strategy. What happened? Hey, come here. What do you got? I got it. What is wrong with you? Hey, get out of here, you nut job. Come on. Stop acting like a nut, Henny. Get over here. Come here. Come. So stubborn. Oh my God. I don't do the martingale. Stop. Go back. I don't do the martingale. Okay, I don't even know what that even implies. Okay, great job, Maguna trader. Right, Mark Miller, good job. Congratulations. Yes, Daddy, I love you too. Daddy loves you too. I love you. I can never get mad at you because you're a big moose. Ooh. Buy. They're buying, then sell. I tested my swing trade strategy in quarter call for around 10% profit when JP Morgan showed a weekly uptrend structure. Okay, good job. What's up, Eddie? This NASDAQ's going to get cabooshed here. I want to see him down 100. Okay. I don't know. Henny, get over there. Stop acting like a nut. Oof, how could you eat that? Oh. What's up, Eddie? I'm 44 years in the game. Come this August. All right, gold just dropped. If you, huh? Yeah, I would sell it here 81 to 83. Okay. Let's see if this. I have a feeling this Nasdaq's going to push down to 65. Really? Let's see the 1 minute here. All I know is whoever bought gold, whoever bought the NASDAQ at 30,603 today at the end of the day, he jumped. This is a straight line. Here we go, 65 on the NASDAQ. There could be a sweep down here. If the NASDAQ gets down, probably anywhere between the 40 and 70 range. You like today's lows? 150. You could get there. I think you're right. Maybe 150 to 180 probably be it. Gold just rallied about 3. Okay. Now the thing here that you have to look at is the NASDAQ is making new lows here. Wow, what just happened? 79, 80, boom. Is that the NASDAQ's making new lows here, but see here, look at the big screen. The MACDs are non-confirming the low here, right? So you got a deep oversold condition on the 60. You have a 6 oversold reading. You see the new low here. These MACDs are non-confirming right here. If you draw your horizontal line right here, right, the MACDs are not confirming the low for this session. That's why I think if we do get a push down to the maybe 45 to 75 range or 50 to 80, I think they should snap back up. S&P should probably get down to like maybe 59.5, 60. So we'll see. Okay. All right, just hit 80 here. Let's see. The 1 hour MACDs, oh, they just turned negative. Yeah. Are you doing anything?
No.
Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have no accounts?
No, I do.
Oh.
I'm on a live account.
Oh, okay. You gotta be very careful.
Mm-hmm.
All your accounts are live now?
No. Just this one. So I'm up 200 right now.
Stop.
I know.
You go to a different account.
I want to get to 300.
What?
I want to get to 300.
Okay. All right.
Because you got to have that consistency.
So Joey Meatballs yesterday buys Broadcom when the stock's trading 483, 484. Stock pushes up to like 487, 488, 489. I said, what are you doing? He goes, I'm long Broadcom. I go, what are you, crazy? The earnings are coming out. He says, I said, I think the stock could probably test 500, maybe 525, but I've seen Broadcom push up and then actually go down. So I said, how much you up on the option? He goes, 200. I go, hit the bid. Out. Hit the bid. Right? $6,000 trade. Okay, NASDAQ, look to sell 80 or higher here. And next thing I know, he hits the bid right around 2:12 in the afternoon. Whoa, what the hell happened? Up and down. He hits the bid, gets out, makes about what? 210, 205, 220, $220. And all of a sudden, after the hours, boom, boom. In a Broadcom, absolutely kabooshed. And what happened? That $200 profit would have turned into about a $4,800 loss, maybe more, $5,000 loss. So you only trade options, as I was telling him, based upon patterns. So if you have a pattern, then I think it's safe to say you could trade options. All right. Joey Meatballs. You like that? You know why I call him Joey Meatballs? There goes the NASDAQ. Because he had meatballs on Sunday night when he got here, right, from Tampa. And then he went to Lenora's, then on Meatball Monday, he had meatballs again, 2 meatballs or 3 meatballs with the ricotta, right? So I said, what'd you have for dinner? He said, I had meatballs. And I said, you had meatballs Sunday and you had meatballs Monday. Your new nickname, Joey Meatballs. That's it. It's a great name, though. That's it. You're gonna be stuck with Joey Meatballs. That's it. I love it. You are, David. Save me a few. All right, those meatballs. Oh, there they go.
The meatballs are good.
You got them. Okay. The meatballs are great. Okay. All right. There goes the NASDAQ. Get in there, Kobe. Arton. Get in there. All right. Joey Meatballs. Unbelievable. Well, tomorrow we're going to have the... whoa, look at them go. Look at them go. Look at them go. See, you combine with the oversold condition, right? All right. Anybody get that long there? Let's go. Who's this guy? Caraccio? Wow. Wow. Look at them go. Arthur didn't like them. The Wolfman. Be a vegetarian? Never. 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 And I don't care if you put $10 million in front of me. I ain't doing it. Kaboom! Mikey Jacques. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. Everybody wants to short the world. There goes the gold. Gold was nice. You got to pick your spots today. Very quiet. I do like this 1 minute time frame, though, I have to say. You know, I mean, let me see how that looks like on Micron. Oh, my guy would kill me if I traded Micron on 1 minute time frame. He would go absolutely bananas. He would absolutely want to kill me if I traded Micron. Huh? He would just say, "Are you crazy? Buy Micron, sell Micron, buy Micron, buy Micron, sell Micron, sell it, buy it, sell it." He'll be like, "I give up." He'd be like, "What are you, bananas?" Mm-mm. Poor Micron. Micron hit 1,084 2 days ago. Now 971. There goes the S&P. Look at the Nasdaq. I hope you're so long. You're out. That's a nice little move on the Nasdaq. Where's that 1 minute time frame? Kobe, get in there. Arton, look at him go. There you go. 31 and 8, 38 points. Look at the gold go. Kaboom. Where's the bull? There's the bull. Did the 30 just turn green? No, not that I see. Everybody, welcome. Love them, FTV. All right. All right. Money, money, money. That's not true. That's not true, AB. Come on. Be nice. Be a nice. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Cella luna menza mara di 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 di. Di 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 di. Bear Trader up 300. Bear Trader, get in there. There you go, Bear Trader. Oh man, I was gonna say short him at 15. I just looked down, never got there anyway. All right, another bear. Again, these 80Xs are rising. Oh boy, down 20. Jesus, down 20. You know what that means? It's going lower here. Oh my God, there's what up? Oh my God, 30 down. You got the short? Wow. All right, if they get down to the what the hell? Look at this 1 minute time. I love it. If they get down to the 40 to 70 range, I would take a long. Again, these MACDs are positive here. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Wow, what a short. Wow, look at silver for me. Sure, Iceman. Iceman, this silver doesn't move, Baba. It doesn't move. Bullish on the 60. Excuse me. Bearish on the 30. Thank you. Bearish on the 30. Bearish, bearish, and more bearish. I think the silver. Excuse me. Doesn't even move. 25 contracts. I don't know. I think you got to wait for the 15s to get overbought. Somewhere between here, probably somewhere around here, Iceman. If it gets up to the 74 to 74, like 40. I don't do that during the night session. I trade live during the day. I don't do that here. But we may start doing that very soon here, though. Very, very soon. May start doing that. I just don't have enough room here. During the day, I'm trading Intel, AMD, SanDisk, Spiders, Qs, Broadcom, Apple, My head's about to explode. But I love it, though. I have to say, oh, rallied right back up. All right, I cancel the buy here. It's positive MACD. Look at the gold rally. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. The gold should be setting up a short here. Gold, if it gets up to the 88 and a half till 96 and a half, probably look to take a short up there on the gold. Iceman, I think you got to wait. Short the pop. Fade the pop. And again, if anybody would like to follow me on social media, at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and X. Also, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. One thing I want to be very clear with everybody, please look at the euro. Sure. EU, I used to trade the euro. USD, euro, pound, and dollar yen. Up to, oh, what the hell is the one? Can't look at the 1 minute on this here. Hold on. Why is the euro like this? Jesus. Is this right? The euro? Hold on. 10 minute. Why is the euro doing this? Is this right? This data is not right on the euro dollar. Is it that tight? That doesn't look right. Let me see the pound dollar. I put the pound GBP. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning and trade these. Pound dollar was my favorite. The pound dollar was one of my favorites of all time. Wow, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. All right. Hey, Samyo. How are you, Samyo? Again, if anybody new would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could text me your full name and email, 914-500-7484. Juice Bag Iceman's a classic. He's one of the diehards here from the beginning. Pound yen. Oh my God, I used to trade the crazy pound yen. Look to cover this gold anywhere between the 87.5 and 90.5 range on the gold if it drops. NASDAQ making new lows here. NASDAQ's going to go to 55. You could look to maybe take a scalp long on the NASDAQ anywhere from the, I would go 25 to 55. Keep it tight. There goes the gold. Beautiful, right? Okay, nice. Bear Trader, get in there. 500 people here. Thank you, David. Look at this pound yen. Wow, this NASDAQ's finished. I'd love to see the NASDAQ break 30,000. I think the S&Ps are going to go to 69.50, 7,000 between now and September. And I think then, are you crazy? Raphael, Henny misses you. How about Raphael, right? He comes to spend the week with me, right? I get him at the airport. He comes to my home. He plops on my couch. My dog wanted to eat him, but then he finally got to like him, right? Then he opens up his laptop and he studies for 2 hours, goes and gets a great homemade Italian meal, didn't want to leave, okay? Comes back, opens up his laptop, studies for an hour, and that week, I think he made close to 30K. I could never be more proud. And I asked him, seriously, what was the turning point for you? And he said, focus, right? Focus. And I got to tell you, from the bottom of my heart, I got to tell you, I'm beyond proud of him and all of you, okay? And that's what it takes, man. He didn't complain. Now, Raphael was in here for like 7 or 8 months, blowing accounts, waving the white flag, giving up. And I said, Raphael, just pick up the phone. Enough is enough. Just call me. right? And he did, and he initiated. So, all right. I don't know if this Nasdaq's gonna. You may want to raise it to like 35, 65 range on the Nasdaq. But no, but you can't. I got to tell you, if anything, I just have a feeling that it's going to kaboosh them and then snap them right back up. And I got to tell you, there's, really, I'm not using this for marketing purposes. I'm not doing this for anything other than speaking the truth that if you're going to really do this, you really need to focus. And that's exactly what he was referring to. And I asked him what the big difference in the whole kit and caboodle was here. And my goodness gracious, just really makes a huge difference. One is that Nasdaq just ran 24 here. I said 55, but now I raised it to 65, but you could probably cancel it. All right. Yeah, they're going to go back up. Yeah. Gold's going to be a short, a little higher. Wow. Nasdaq 30 up. Damn it. Huh. So I look at patterns and I look at scalping. Scalping and patterns. Scalping, I could do probably 300 trades a day. And then I'm exhausted. All right. Scalping, I could do 300 in a day. Maybe more. Wow, Iceman, good job, dollar yen. Dollar yen was my second. Pound dollar, dollar yen were my biggest positions that I used to take. And I traded standard lots. So $20 to $40 million pound or euro dollar yen, sometimes $50 million dollar yen. Big positions I used to take in that dollar yen. At USD, JPY. Unbelievable. Monster positions. Thank you. Lucky FX. Oh, yeah. My biggest position I ever had was, I think, 260. What was it? All right, my biggest position I had was about 200, either 255 or 265 or 70 million in the currency markets. Monster. What? Oh. All right, everybody, here's the link. Go ahead, ready? Sign up. Joey Meatballs. Okay. Okie dokie, whatever. All right. $260 million position. I was long pound, euro, dollar yen, euro yen. Wait, hold on. Yeah, pound yen, that's 5. Aussie yen, New Zealand dollar yen, 7. I think I might have been long like 20 million Aussie dollar. I'm not sure. But it was monstrous positions. And then I was down a lot of money, but I had my stop in place, mental stop. And then Bernanke cut the discount rate and everything went. And I was sell 20 million. You're. And then I said, my assistant says, no, we're short 130 million. I'm like, what? And he says to me, yeah, don't worry, everything's dropping. I go, okay, well, how much dollar yen am I short? He said 22 million or 25 million. I go, buy 5 million. Buy this, buy that, buy this. Okay. It's right there. All right, this NASDAQ, if it gets down to the, I'd say if it gets down to the 15 to 55 range, Look at the gold drop. This gold's going to get killed off this 15. This thing's going to roll over here. No, I was upstairs trading. It happened. Bernanke cut the discount rate. I'll never forget that trade at 4:40 in the morning. And I said to my assistant after I was flat, everything, I said, "Are we flat?" He goes, "I'm flat." I go, "Good. Shut the machines off. I'll see you in 3 days. I'm not coming back." NASDAQ, you can maybe raise it to 60 here, or you can keep it at 55. You can go like 30 to 60 or 20 to 55, 25 to 55. I just have a feeling this NASDAQ's going to get killed. Boom. See there, down and up. See? Boom. Boom. Out at 70. I knew they were going to do that. See that?
Got it.
See that? I said they're going to boom and up. Boom.
Just down.
Boom. 47 to 75 on the NASDAQ, up 30. I told you. There you go. There you go. The thing I hope that it didn't just keep going. Ping!
Yeah. And I was off of it.
I didn't want to.
I was off of it.
I didn't want it to go through down to 10. Look at this dollar yen Iceman. Look at this Iceman. What's the high here? 97. No, that's 1 pip, 2 pips, nothing. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ? Wow, look at it go. Right there, right back up. All right, enough with the dollar yen. Enough with the dollar yen here. Oh, yeah. Whew. 46 in there. All right, not bad. Shushin, get in there. Everybody wants to short the world. Rod Trades, how are you, brother? Rod Trades. You're in the long in the S&P. All right, you're probably going to get a push up here to get these 15-minute time frames to work off the oversold condition. Lucky Mon, how are you? Lucky Mon. Yes, sir. Derek, how are you, Derek? Man, oh man, oh man. 8:48 already. Do I think the bulls are gone? No. I think the market is gonna see. Here's the thing: 30% of the hedge funds along the same names, right? They set up a bear flag. Yep.
Limit orders are a game changer.
Oh, that's the way to do it. I never even when like, remember when I was down like 35,000 in AMD, right? And I was bidding for my short covering. I don't go market.
They're a game changer.
No, because
there's so much less stress.
No.
Even the whole game.
When I'm trading Micron or Sanders, I never put a market order in. Even the day when I was short Sanders, right? Let's make a price 78 and went to 90. No, that's $12, right? You know, on 3,000 shares, that's $36,000, right? Now I'm shorting, 6,000 shares per se, right? Yeah. So even at that point, I'm not doing market order. How can I do a 9,000 share market order and say I'm moving the stock at $7? I'm not doing that. You get killed. They'll carry me out as limit orders and small lots. Because if you start going, if I bid 6,000 shares of Sanders, you know what they'll do? They won't fill it. No, they won't
fill it
unless the stock's unless the stock's crashing like this at the end of the day here. That's a different story. Let's say I'm short Micron here, and I bid 6,000. Oh, they'll hit me in a heartbeat. Yeah, no. But if the market, me, I counter trend, right? So let's say it's going parabolic, and I'm shorting, and I bid for 6,000. Are you crazy? They're not gonna fill me.
Complete game changer.
They're fugazi.
Keeps me much calmer.
All right, this NASDAQ, if it gets down to the 05 to 45. Okay. Actually, you can go probably 20 to 55 range on the NASDAQ. Actually, no, you can go, let's see. Let me see, what's this 1 minute doing here? Yeah, what's the low here? 47? What's the low here? 55. Now you can probably go like 20 to 50 on the NASDAQ. Gold just dropped. You still short gold?
No.
Are you okay, Jeff?
Yeah, I'm good.
You hit your 300?
No.
You hear from Tommy? How's he feeling?
I went back to the house to get him, but the door's closed. I didn't
Oh, he's out. They give him medicine.
Oh, they did? Yeah, I didn't disturb him, so I just came back.
This gold is gonna drop back down.
Oh, that's gold. Wait till these 15s roll over.
I'm gonna short it, but I'm not going to here.
Next bounce, not here.
Yeah.
You got a triple Linda. You're going to get one more push up.
We're long in NASDAQ, right?
I said 20 to 50 range.
Yeah, got it.
Anybody from the great state of Florida here? Anybody? I don't know. I think the non-farm payroll is going to be very strong tomorrow. I think it's going to be strong. Though my friend told me I was crazy. He said to me, "Are you crazy? They're laying off people like crazy." Amazon 30,000. Oh, boom. Amazon 30,000. I said, okay, we'll see. This game's so rigged. All right. Where's Mr. Freeze been? Anybody? M. Dot, is M. Dot here? M. Dot, where's M. Dot been? Peter, how you doing, Peter? Oh, my friend Peter, great guy. I've known him for years. Never met him personally, but what a trader. Oof. What a trader. I spoke to him tonight. It's me opening up a London office. Oh my God. All right. I would scale out of longs here between 45 and 50 on this long.
Look at that.
Let's see if they can get one more push up. I think this gold has one more push up here. There we go. 45, 50. I'd be scaling out of longs on the NASDAQ. 950, we do the raffle. Anybody from the great state of Florida here? What? Look at this long.
On what?
NASDAQ.
Yeah. I'm back.
On popcorn. Oh my God. I'm very sarcastic. You have to know that by
I'm
now.
used to sarcasm.
You do? Really?
I'm British.
Oh, Nelly. Remember Oh, Nelly? Oh, look at the NASDAQ. You get the long, Joey?
Yes.
What do you hit, the Powerball? Look at him. He's back here like this. Long popcorn, short butter. Yeah. Yeah.
Tell you what, if it breaks,
They're doing away. Our time, they're doing away this November in state property taxes. I got to tell you, I don't understand that. How in the God's creation, really, seriously, in the state of Florida, the winner within 6 or 7 hours of an election. These people in California, oh, we still got to count the ballots. It might be 6 or 7 days. These people are all, I'm telling you, they all should be arrested. They all should be arrested. I don't care. Doesn't mean it's not the Wild West. Does that mean that you go around just shooting and killing people? No, it's wrong. What they're doing is illegal. It's wrong. I think the Nasdaq's going to get one more push up.
No wonder. Okay, these are wrong.
Now you're starting to see the state of 200,000. You're here in Cali. Oh my God, Brandon, how in God's creation do you deal with that? All the fraud, and then they're so insane. They write a bill, the Nick Shirley Act or bill, where you can't investigate the fraud. Oh my God. Yeah, that was a nice little bear flag. I love this 1 minute time frame. I look at the 5 minutes during the day, but then I switch to the 1 minute every so often. All right. S&P is making, who's short the S&Ps at 83, I think. Hawaii is the same way? No, is it? I don't know. This is crazy. How in God's creation can they act like this, though? Did you eat that bag of potato chips thing?
No, not over here.
Oh, I was going to say, you can't eat that.
That place isn't kosher.
It's what?
It's not kosher. The one you told me about.
It's not, no?
No.
My friend ate there.
Okay, well, just because he's Jewish doesn't mean he eats kosher.
I'm just telling you, I thought it was a great place, but.
Anytime you see bacon and eggs on the menu, they didn't.
Oh, that bacon. You're finished. You're finished. Okay, that's it. S&P's making new lows here. S&P's making new lows. Yeah, that's true, right?
Yep. It's usually a dead giveaway.
Right.
I want to show you this thing.
I can't believe they screwed up his. I can't believe they screwed up his lunch today. Oh, where is this here? I still think if the S&Ps can get down to the, you can go 10 to 40 range. What did it just get down to here? 35. All right, if it gets down to the even to 40, I'd take the long one more time. What's that? Go on, take the money and run. Woo, woo, woo. Did you ever check to see if you got your MyFundedFutures in your email?
Today you said.
You should have gotten it.
You don't see anyone.
I sent it last night.
Okay, maybe you said.
Did you create an account?
Yeah.
I gotta ask Danny. I sent it.
I'll check on my other. I'll check. No,
Whatever
I sent it on
email.
my account. Yeah, no, that's.
Well, then check the MyFundedFutures. It might be in there. I gotta make a note of this, Levi. All right, just ran 20. There goes the gold dropping. That's actually gonna get one more push down. Look at the gold drop. Wait till these 15s roll over.
that gold.
Oh my God. I told you this gold is going to drop. Get ready for, here we go. Look what they did to the gold. Oh my God. That's short. 91, 92. Kaboosh.
Got it.
The short?
Got the long run.
What are you, crazy?
Yeah, I am. But I have.
What
a
are
mark.
you?
I have a mark here. I knew it was going to hit it.
All right. But you're crazy.
$200. Like
SK, you hear about the fan that got a lifetime ban at last night's game? No, what happened? Do you think we get a big push up? I think we get a push up here. NASDAQ, I think the 15 is eventually going to look at the gold rally a little bit.
got it right on my mark. Flipping it right at it. Beautiful.
Oh, the gold was nice. All right.
Long, short here.
No, what happened to the fan? Oh, this NASDAQ's finished. You could probably look to take a long here, even to 25, 30, James, just for a scalp. I just have a feeling the fan ran on the court
No, that last night.
for a selfie.
Yeah, that was last night.
There you go. He got caught.
Yeah. He got caught. He was surrounded by the cops, and he was taking selfies with the cops and the players on.
I skill out of longs here, James, between 30 and 40 on the NASDAQ, James. There you go. Get in there. All right. What, gold?
I want to short it up there about.
Not yet. Got to get higher.
No, it's 44.95.
Let me see what's on my phone here. James, you get the long on the NASDAQ?
There it is.
All right. Well, there goes the gold's are short above 92 here.
Yeah.
91 and a half, 92 up to 98. There goes the gold NASDAQ pushing up. Step tracks, good job. Pass the eval. Good job. There you go. NASDAQ up 20. There goes the wolf. I think I'd be out.
Next previous day closing, what? 45.
So I said you got a short above
I
92,
did.
93.
I got a little bit.
Okay.
I got out because it's just bouncing.
All right.
Short.
This is a royal caboose in here. We got to just see here. See these.
What are we looking at?
No, I'm just saying that it's just they up and then they go right back down. You got the rising ADX. You got a 43 ADX here. So this is pretty solid here. Look to cover this gold 90.92. I would look to cover the shorts here.
Long at 91.
No.
Right,
Look at the 15-minute time frame.
Wait, let me see it.
Here, it's right here. Right here. You got, let's go left to right. Negative MACD, negative MACD, negative MACD, getting overbought into the negative MACD on the 15, the 30, and the 60. There's no way. No way. No way. Well, this is there you go. Oh my God, nice long. There you go. A lot of overhead resistance here, but nice. James, good job, James. Great job. What a Picasso. No, look at this, right back down. 53, then look at this. Boom. Gold's short. Gold's going to wait till these 15s roll over. S&Ps just cannot get going here. These rising ADXs are going to stop everything in its tracks. Oh my God. 30 down. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I said gold's are short. I said 92 and a half up to 99 and a half, and got up to 95 3/4 and then dropped. Yes, sir. Nice little bear flag on the 1 minute. These time frames are getting really deeply oversold here. Or a 6, a 2 on the 6. You got a 2 oversold condition on the hourly on the NASDAQ. I wouldn't be short down here. Matter of fact, if they push down again to new lows, you probably look to buy them. If they can get down, probably was a low here. They can get down to the 92 to 22 range. I think it could be a buy here one more time. Plus, you got the positive MACDs here on the 5 minute right here. See that? Here we go. New York session is the best. Okay? It's really the best. That first hour is unbelievable. Anybody new here tonight? Everybody new? Every session tells a story. If you bought them, you could just scalp the long above 28. I think it's very difficult to trade one account, Najee, to be honest with you. Solitaro, how are you? There goes the NASDAQ up 10. If you're new, Solitaro, if you want to text me your full name and email, I can send you a link for a 5-day free trial to my live stream to the 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. All right. So again, we got the raffle coming up in about 40 minutes. 43 minutes. NASDAQ, again, if it gets down to the 85 to 15 range, let's see if you can get another long, just scalp them. Not even looking at the S&Ps. S&Ps can't even compare here today. It's gold and NASDAQ. That's about it. Why? David, thank you. You can probably go 90 to 20 on the NASDAQ, 90 to 20. You're going to get another push up.
$90 to $20.
Man just ran on the floor. Wants to take a selfie. Security quickly takes him away. Crowd gives it the appropriate move. Of course, to referee that as well. You saw the security guard in pursuit. Picture Robinson like, what's this dude doing? He's got.
Who's the tall guy from San Antonio? He's hysterical laughing during the thing.
Wemajama?
Yeah, Wemajama
or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, he looked like he was having a good time laughing. Well, that kid's life is ruined.
You were 21 years old. And
but that guy, but come on. You're going to have a criminal record now. You're banned from every NBA game.
Talking about Wemajama.
Oh, him? How much is he worth?
He just turned down like a $290 million contract or something.
Turned it down?
Yeah.
To who?
I don't know. There was something. I don't know the whole story.
What was he want to buy the whole team?
No. He's like, it's too much. I don't need that much.
Too much?
Build the team around me. Pay for other players.
That's what he said?
Something like that. He turned money down on his rookie contract or something.
They must love him, boy. Forget it.
It's San Antonio, man. San Antonio. They've always had good team.
Wow, he really did that? Wembley? How do you say
Maybe
it?
it wasn't 200. Maybe it was another. Maybe it was his rookie contract. He's getting ready to sign a $280 million or something.
For how many years?
5 years.
So $40 million a year?
Something. That's his rookie.
LeBron makes more than that.
Yeah, but this is his first major contract.
Yeah, but this guy's an animal. This guy's great. This guy's like phenomenal. Look at the NASDAQ.
I'm telling you, I'm going to show you one day.
Look at this. Look at this gold drop.
I'm going to show you this night.
Are you still on a rookie contract?
Yeah. This is just his second year. I think. Second, maybe third.
Look to scale out any longs here. 15, 20, up to 25. Papa Trump has a criminal record too and should be rotting in jail now. Come on. No politics here, please.
There's your California.
I don't know where he's from, but if you can't look at him go, if you can't live on $14 million a year, I don't know what the hell's going on. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. You see these trades? These are all based upon the deep oversold condition on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ right here. So all you got to do, okay, and if you're just scalping them, look, you have Levi, a 2 here, a 5 here, right? Joey Meatballs, see that? Look how oversold. Look at the yellow dots. So this is the only thing that's scaring me here. See the yellow dots?
Yeah.
They're getting into the cayenne, which is, that's too much selling pressure. So even on any push up, it's going to run into a brick wall, right? NASDAQ just rallied, but now eventually you're going to get some type of a push up, probably in the London session on the 15 and the 30-minute time frames. Then you do have the non-farm payroll tomorrow, okay? I got it, Solitaro. I got it. I got it. I'm not allowed to play it here. No, and I'm not allowed to play that here. All right, what's the low here? If they get down to the 80 to 10 level on the NASDAQ, I would scale into longs here. Anybody have any questions? All right. I love this 1 minute time frame.
Look at it on that.
I can't do it during the day, though.
I'll show you this later.
It's hard. How do you get access? You got to, if you want a 5-day free trial, you could text me the 914-500-7484, or you can go to my website, sktrading.live. Okay. This is really very powerful here. Look at these yellow dots into the Cayenne. It just told you to be short the entire way down. You see that? Look at the yellow dots.
And the key, right?
On the 15. Look what my arrow is.
Oh, no, I'm over. I was here. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm showing you here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're into the Cayenne
Yeah.
while the ADX is rising. That's monster selling pressure. Okay, right. Gold. Let's see if this gold you can get out of like 12 up to 20, 25 maybe. Let's see. I can't believe it. I got an alert last night from ESPN. Knicks tied up Spurs.
Yeah.
I'm like, I thought they were getting killed. Right? There they go. Like, I gotta say, I was there in 1994 when the Rangers won the Stanley Cup. Right? It was deafening. Look at the NASDAQ. Raise your stops, or just start scaling out the longs here. No. Rising ADX and big selling pressure, you could have the inverse, rising ADX and big buying pressure, right? Go Knicks. All right. So what you really want to
Look at that.
look at this gold. This gold's going to get killed. NASDAQ, see what I'm saying? Every time the NASDAQ pushes up, it's short-lived, right? Once you start seeing these dots lift their head here on the 15,
Once they start to move up.
once you start to see them,
Yeah.
like here you're seeing on the 5-minute
Yeah.
here, I added that, right? So this just told me, technically, you got to just stay short the whole way down off the 15, especially with this rising ADX here. It does support the bearish downtrend, but also could support a bullish trend. If this was the inverse, an ADX rising with monster buying pressure, it's still the same. Look at the NASDAQ go.
The same way down on the 1 minute. It's all the way down. Just move further. Skip it up.
Yes, sir. Do you know about 7, 8 years ago, I told my company I was with, I said, we got to stream live markets. They actually told me I was completely crazy. Now the whole world's doing it. I told people to trade the Asia markets before Top Step and all these other people were doing it. I said the Asia, actually I used to trade the Asia with my son at night.
Yeah.
S&Ps mostly, sometimes gold, but mostly the indexes. Now they're all doing it.
See, just
You got to be like an innovator in this business.
Yep.
Yeah, you know. And my friend told me all the time, always be ahead of everybody else.
that is the trick.
So if the ADX gets right here, Kelly, right here on this particular time frame, like you'll see 50, 55, 60, 60. If it gets anything extreme, like anything north of probably 50 to 60 range, expect a monster shift in trend. Okay, which means then you see this here, Kelly. This is a rising ADX here, right here. You see that? And this is an ADX that's turning downward, right? So if the 80, once you start seeing the ADX to do something like this, woo, look out, they're going to explode. Okay, you see that? And that goes for up and or down, in this case, down. Why? I don't know why. I've been doing this for 44 years. I don't know why. I'm just teaching you. Okay? All right? Well, probably not. Nasdaq might break 100 here. If it breaks 100, I'd probably look to buy anywhere between the 68 and 88, 98 range. I think you're going to get one more caboose in here. But you see how they keep running in, Levi? You see 30 down, right? Too dangerous to short, only because of the oversold condition. But you see these yellow dots right here?
Hang on.
See, 98. Boom. There you go, 90. If you're long, that's why you have to do anticipated. If I scale out a long, see above even to 05. See that? I knew they were going to do that. I knew they were going to break 100.
I've had it sitting down here at 91.
Cookie J, you're welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. And you know, every Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, I stream on the MyFundedFutures stream from 10:30 to 11:30. Again, if they push down to 90 here, you can look to go probably 60 to 90 on the Nasdaq. What is the price action? I don't understand the question. So if it starts to turn down, well, why would it explode down? Explode up, right? That means that the negative trend is turning off, right? So right now the ADX rising means the trend is in place, right? So if the ADX starts looking flat like this here, like sloping downward, that means, or starting to slope downward, that means the negative trend, okay, the negative trend is starting to roll off, and we should get a very big push up. Yeah, this is bearish. Yeah. Okay, Joey Cook. What's up, Cook? 90 in the corner. What?
They're telling me now, now I'm the cook. I ain't be close no more.
No, Joe Cook here. My friend Joe.
I know.
That's his name, Joe Cook. Welcome to Cabooshville. Wow. Love it. Oh, I would love to see them break through. I love. You're waiting for what? 55 on them S&Ps to go long? Oh, I think they're going to get killed. It's Christmas in June. Look at the gold drop. So if the ADX says 40 and downtrend, it could be 45, 50. There you go. Start scaling out longs above 90. Scalping the longs here. So if the ADX says 40 in a downtrend, does the trend reverse and say ADX? No. The minute you start seeing the ADX get to 49, 50, 51, 53, there they go. Look at them. Look at them go. Look at them go. Look at them go. Oh, my God. There you go. You would want to see the ADX to start doing something like this, start sloping downward, okay? And then you should start seeing the 15s and the 30-minute time frames start turning. Look at the gold 80. Okay? Right? The gold's nothing but garbage. That was about, look to buy these NASDAQ here again, 40 to 70 range. Oh, the stop orders. This is nothing. Wait till they really kaboosh them. This is nothing. Oh my God. Put them in the bathroom. Yeah.
Look at that, baby.
It's okay. Where's the bear? I think you should bounce soon. Look to scale out any long 60. Oh boy, 65 up to 70, 75. This NASDAQ's a casino. There you go. 65, 66, 70 out.
Out.
There you go. Boom. There you go. Look at gold. Down 15 off the highs. So what I was saying before, when the 15-minute time frames were getting overbought on the gold into the negative MACDs, when gold hit 94.5, 95 or higher, I knew gold was going to drop, especially with 3 negative MACDs on the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frames, right? Okay. I hope you guys, a lot of scalp longs here, probably about 12 or 13 today, right?
Yeah.
Joey Meatballs, you got long?
Yeah, I went long. I
Good.
got it.
You over 300?
Yeah.
Good. There you go. There you go. You don't know. You got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. It can all revert. How about today? They were down and then they were up. You just don't know. Look at the NASDAQ. Right back up. Would they rally? 40 just now on this? 30. Is Henny snoring?
Yeah.
He's out.
His head's up against the pole too. Look at that.
He's a moose.
I don't want to show you this on camera. I'll wait till after you're done.
Later. Wow. Genius, thank you very much, Genius. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's see here. NASDAQ is a casino.
Right back down.
What, NASDAQ or gold?
That's why I'm not looking at gold at the moment.
Can we still short the 5-minute bounce? Now you have a double red short. You have to wait for the 5 to get overbought.
It's actually kind of cold in here today.
What?
It's kind of cold in here tonight.
I get the door open.
I know.
How about the high? 30,603 today, right? 30,603. Genius SK, if you'd like a 5-day free trial, just text me. All right, let's just see. Gold right back up.
So the NASDAQ is coming back out. It's curling
Down. All day.
Right back up. NASDAQ, look at them. Just ran for about 30, 40? 40 on the NASDAQ, 46. Okay. Look at the NASDAQ go. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. All right. Well, just text me your your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Look at this. Look at this. Every trade we did today, thank God, was very, very good, right? Every single pattern. Where's Ryan? Ryan, you did okay tonight, Ryan, on these? This 1 minute time frame. Can you imagine me trading with my guys with a 1 minute? They'll leave. They'll tell me I'm completely insane. Are you crazy? Wow, Dram is down $3 after hours. Yeah, I have to have like 3 Kobe's next to me. Forget it. Buy him, tell him, like rapid fire. Look at this, NASDAQ up 50.
Yep.
That's what I'm saying. You can't be short down there. You can't. Ryan, you get them, Ryan? Get in there. There you go. Okay. Look at this NASDAQ up 60. Hey, Joe Venuti now batting. Number 28, third baseman, Joe Venuti. Where have you been, Joe? Okay. Brian, how we doing? How you doing tonight, Brian? Good?
Look at the NASDAQ. It's going to come up. It's 133. Key is focusing.
Look at the NASDAQ. Woo! 70 up. 70 up. Moon Boy. Juicy 5804. Now you can probably take it. See here, look at them. Look at the 15s. See the yellow dots? Now this ADX is going to start turning off.
Yeah, see what you're talking about now.
Okay. See? Look at the NASDAQ. Boom. Just ran 70. Still got room to go. Maybe one more push up here to 25. You can probably take a scalp short only. The thing is that the 60s are so oversold. You don't want to get run over. But, you know, if you're going to trade, you got to scalp it really fast. 25 up to 55. I don't even know if they're going to get that high. The 1 minute's getting, what was it, 20. Let's just see. All right. Good job, ET. Moon Boy. Joe, what's the matter, Joe? Text me. I'll call you. What's the matter, Joe? Good job, ET. What's the matter?
Tired tonight.
You are?
Yeah.
It's draining, man. It's
Well, I'm not used to looking at a computer screen all day.
You know what's draining? I'll tell you what's draining. Going out in that real world and dealing with the psychotic people in the world. That's what I don't like. Me, I'm the happiest guy in here. I'm safe. I got my dog. All I need is a TV, a bedroom, a shower, and a little mini kitchen. I'm the happiest guy.
You're gonna be happy.
Huh?
So put this thing in your house.
I am?
Put this room in your house.
I mean, what?
Put this room in your house.
Joe, you've been to my house. Where am I going to put it down in my house? What are you talking about? Come on. All right. Got a nice bear flag setting up here.
Yeah.
Let's just see if they can. I just don't want to. Again, you got to be very quick if you're going to short 25, 30, up to 20, 55, 60 range. Look at these 15s turning up here. See that? I told you, this guy, whoever sold 52s, he jumped. Okay. Oh, you got to have the Johnny Walker. Are you crazy?
I made it through a night without enough.
What happened?
That's why you stay quiet. Don't even talk. You can't say no bad words.
No.
I said I made it through the night without an F-bomb
Yeah, he did.
so far.
He actually did.
I said one, but I
You whispered
I
it.
whispered it because I thought about it.
I'm just tired. So
Here we go. Let's see.
Sometimes
25,
it's the best thing to do.
26,
You notice you're tired?
Yeah.
26. Here we go. They're going to get to 30.
Why?
26, 30. Let's see here.
I said 130. I called it.
What a rally. If
I
you're
said
short
130.
25 to 55, 50, 55, and it's got to be quick. It's got to be quick. It's got to
I
be
said
quick.
131.
One second.
It's got to be quick.
It's gonna come up. It might get up to 150.
I don't like this, especially when the 15s are turning up like this, though.
Yeah, see, when Steve say you don't like it, I ain't
The
doing
9
it.
just crossed over 21.
Oh my God. You have no, I'll be the happiest guy in the world. You have no idea. Even at 63 years of age,
It's gonna run.
it's going to go. I'm telling you, here's 30, hit 30, hit 20 or 29. It's going to hit 30. It could go to 45 too. I'm
I'm telling
you got to be really careful with this short, especially with these things turning up here and the 60 and deep over. So if they drop, you got to cover really fast, in my opinion.
I can get to 152.
We got a little bear flag sitting up on the 5. You may get one more push down, but we'll see.
It's too close to 10 o'clock.
Here we go.
Asia just started.
Here we go. You can look to cover any shorts here between 13 and 23. Oompa Loompa. There they go.
Yep.
Remember that? That's from Blindside. Oompa Loompa.
It's coming up. It's going to test previous day high, previous day low.
They just ran 80 off the,
Yep.
in literally in 15 minutes, within 15 minutes. Who trades levels? Who trades levels? All right, if they start dropping, look to cover at 16 to 26 range. What are levels? What do you mean levels? Trade levels. It's insanity. Look at this gold, 77. From 95 to 77 in 5, 10, 15, 20, in 35 minutes.
Here it is, right back at double. Bingo.
I don't know.
That's crazy. Look at that.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye NASDAQ. Bye-bye S&Ps. S&Ps just dropped 3. Gold just dropped 20.
Yep.
Wow, NASDAQ just got kabooshed on the 1 minute. Down to 16. I hope you guys covered your shorts there. All right, what time is it? 10 minutes. Well, tonight went pretty good.
Look at that complete bounce right straight back up. Look at that.
Yeah, because that's why I said you got to be careful here.
No, I'm not in it.
Look, they're going to be...
I told you, I think it's coming.
You could probably short these at 50 up to 80. Scalp it if you want. Small. Oh, I love the darkness.
I like that.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. You see the yellow dots? See?
Yeah,
See?
I can see everything.
See?
When we start trading like that in the day.
Right? I'll leave the
Yeah,
lights off. Fine for me.
it's fine with
I
me.
see
It's
the
fine
whole.
with me.
It's
I
fine
love
with
it.
me.
I love it too.
Better
I
for
trade
my
all day-
eyes.
I trade all day in the dark.
You scared of the boogeyman?
No, I said I do trade all
Oh, I
day.
thought you said you were scared of the boogeyman. Wow.
Look at that. I said it.
How'd you get
Said it was
cabooshed,
going
Eptis? How? How'd you get cabooshed? I've been calling 400 longs.
They're not listening.
What do you mean? I don't understand what they're doing.
They don't listen.
They're tired.
I don't know. I don't get it. Did we not call longs probably like 15 to 18 to 20 longs here? I just don't get it. NASDAQ, if you're short at 50, look to cover between the 25 and 40 range. Oh, my God. What a long Arton down there. I knew it was going to happen. Look at them drop. No. Don't talk like that. Well, you're going to get another push down on the 5-minute for sure. I think the only way to trade this NASDAQ is with the 1-minute time frame. I just don't. I'm trading SanDisk and Micron and AMD. I can't and DRAM.
See what it's like tomorrow. Just
I'll leave it up, but I need more screens.
you gotta
Wow.
see this.
I know it's on props.
This game comes down to everything you said: focus and discipline.
Negative trend.
Yeah, it's gonna pop right
Yeah.
here. It's got
This NASDAQ gets up to the 60 or the 90 range. I would look to take the short. What time is it? 3 minutes there.
43.
Yeah, I don't know if you're going to get 60. You may get 55 to 85. You want to take a scalp short only on the NASDAQ. Can you believe it? They're up 100 handles.
From 20 to over 100, 130.
No, off that low.
Oh,
51 was the low. 30,051 was the low.
oh, okay, right. Okay, I was looking up higher. Sorry.
Did it hit 55? It's going to, though. 52. Oh, now it's going to drop. Oh, it just got kabooshed. Yeah, if it gets up to the 50 handle again, 50 to 80, the fives are getting overbought. Now, any push down should make a, oh my God, they just dropped. All right, just dropped 16.
It was right back up.
Yeah, I would probably think 55 to 85 again. I'm going to raise it. I just told you how you get access. Okay? Can somebody please help AB?
Antonio Brown.
NQ Scalper, good job. Moon Boy, get in there. Wow. Look at the gold. This was spot on the gold. Spot on the gold. Gold's down 23. Are you dying on me?
Go ahead, guys.
55 on the NASDAQ.
It could be the dog.
What dog? The dog's sleeping.
He's allergic.
I'm not allergic. It's just
The dander.
sometimes the hair. Sometimes the hair.
Oh, someone. Oh, here we go. It's so much better with the lights off. That's not Joe. That's someone else.
Well, who turned the lights off?
I love it. It went off by itself. If you don't move a certain way, if you move a certain way, they'll go right back on.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
All right. It was a pretty good session, I thought, tonight. I mean, I thought the NASDAQ was pretty damn good here.
Both of them were
NASDAQ and gold. Boom. Look to cover anywhere between the 40 and 50 if you're short. Boom. There you go. Where's the bear? There you go. These 5-minute time frames should start. No, like 50 is a bear. Genius. All right. So we got the non-farm payrolls tomorrow. That should be interesting. Boom. Oh. You could turn them off. You could turn them off. Yeah. No. Yeah. I just went boom like this. But you got to turn the switch off. Hey, honey, Daddy's sleeping. No, he's good.
What are you coughing for, man? You get done anything from the hospital? I'm telling you, it's the air conditioning. You flip an air conditioner, you won't have it. Or an air purifier. Maybe that'll do it.
How many trades do I take daily? Oh my God.
This guy never
I don't
stops,
know.
man.
I don't know. 50 to 150, 200. You saw how many I did with just Lawrence alone today. Lawrence alone probably was about, I don't know, 50, 55, 60.
These people don't understand how
No, I don't.
lucky they are.
I don't know. But what's Lulu doing? I think
They're down.
15. Yeah. They missed. I can't believe Lulu. I'm telling you, I can't believe Lulu. It was $380 a share. Look at this bear flag on the 5-minute. They're going to get killed here. I think one more push down. And here's the other thing that's going to happen here. Look at the 15s are starting to work off that oversold condition. I think they may get one more caboose in here. Okay. I start every morning from 8:30. All right, we're going to do the raffle. Jennifer, you ready? Jennifer, is she here? Jennifer? I didn't even know it was 9:50. They're going to get killed here. NASDAQ should start rolling over here. NASDAQ should start rolling over here. All right, we're going to go. Are you ready, Jennifer? All right, good luck, everybody. Okay. Let's go. This NASDAQ's going to drop. Number 5, my lucky number, Joe DiMaggio, Johnny Bench. I can't see who this is. Neo Lackey, 7260. Neo Lackey, am I saying it right? Neil, I hope I'm
I
not.
think
I hope,
so.
am I saying it right?
Yeah, I think so.
Neil Lackey. Is he here? I think so. Neil Lackey. That's what. How many do we even have tonight? Is Denny? Did he text me here? Wow, 522. Thank you, Denny. Number 17. Number 17. CO4 Trading. CO4 Trading. SEO4 Trading. CO4 Trading. CO4 Trading. CO4 at SEO4 Trading. I don't know if he's here or not. SEO Trading. He's not here. Just got to give it another minute. Hey, congratulations. Okay. All right. Number 147. Number 147, please, sir. Helpful G. Helpful G. Helpful G. Helpful G. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Number 233. Number 233, please, sir. That is Anna Trading. Congratulations, Anna Trading, 1977. Anna Trading. Anna Trading. Anna Trading. Are you here, Anna Trading? Hey, congrats. Number 200. Number 293. 293, please, Denny. And that is reading the numbers. Reading the numbers. Reading the numbers. Are you here? Reading the numbers. You could take a scalp short on the NASDAQ 65 to 95 here. Reading the numbers. Are you here? Hey, well, we got a full number 345. Number 345. Number 345 is how you say this?
Hey,
Level
me.
it. That's you?
Yep,
Get out of here.
that's me.
Oh my God. Congratulations. Levi Libling, 9920. He's here. Oh my God.
How'd
Congratulations.
you win,
I
man?
have no idea.
That's crazy.
It's weird.
Well, I got Jennifer one night here. I got Moonboy who said he never. This is crazy. Okay. What was it? 340? All right. Number 417. Number 417, Denny, please. Wow. That's crazy. Go play the lottery here while you're here in the States. Xi Trades, XIA Trades, Xi Trades. Xi Trades, XIA Trades. Xi Trades, are you here? Xi Trades, are you here? Nope, no Xi Trades. And we got to go up one if he's not here. XIA Trades, are you here? Not here. Okay. Next, we're going to go up one. 67-William. That's how we do it. 67-William, number 418. 67-William. All right, let's see if these fives can drop. Okay. What number we have? 418. Okay. Hey, congratulations. I swear to God, it's happened a couple times. Number 510. 510. 510 is the Gary BB. The Gary BB. The Gary BB. This NASDAQ just ran 106.50 points.
What is it at?
190.
The Gary BB, he's here? Congratulations. Okay. All right. Number, how many is that, Jennifer? 8. Number 99. Number 99, please. Number 99. And that would be Troyd, TROYD 384. Troyd 384. Troyd. You could look to cover this NASDAQ between 65 and 85 range. The Troyd, are you here? Hey, congratulations. All right. Last but not least, number 150. 150. Who's that 150? And that would be, okay, Session 0325, SSYEON 0325. Session 0325. Good job. Is that the night stream tonight? Good job, Artan. Session 0325. Session. All right. There you go, Baba. Is he here, Session? He's here? I don't think so. Is Session here? Artan, God bless you, brother.
The dots are coming out on the
What? NASDAQ should get one more push down here.
What about the yes, right?
Session, we got a couple. He's not here. All right, next we're going to go up 1 to 151. Then Epticus. Oh, he just showed up. Up. Oh, man. I don't know how you want to handle that. Oh, give it to him. Okay, what about the 151? I just called them, though, but I don't know if that's fair. Okay. He was here on time? Okay. All right. All right, sorry about that. Okay. All right, Session, congratulations. Again, thank you, everybody, for being here. Again, it was a fun week, a great week at that. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Luke. Thank you for all of you. Okay, Moises. Okay, you guys can't put your numbers in. I'm not gonna look at them. I'm telling you, I'm not doing that. Okay. All right. Have a great night, everybody. I think this NASDAQ's gonna get some caboose when the 15-minute time frames turn down here. Okay. Again, if anybody would like to contact me for a free trial, you can text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. I think these 15-minute time frames are going to get some caboose in here. I'm telling you now. Okay. Well, all right, everybody. Look at these 15s here. I think you're going to get one big push down here. All right. All right. Let's see here. All right, everybody. Have a great night. God bless you. Okay. God bless our troops. Okay. And God bless the United States of America. I'll be here tomorrow during my live stream. If I don't see you, have a great weekend, but I'll be back here Monday through Thursday next week. God bless you. Again, have a great night. Be well, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.